Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share some valuable information with all the car owners in the UK who are looking to save money on booking a garage for their car maintenance and repairs. We all know that keeping our cars in top condition can sometimes be a costly affair. But fear not, because there are ways to ensure you're not overspending on garage services. One of the most effective ways to find cheap quotes and compare prices from different local garages is by using online comparison websites like FixMyCar and FixMyCar. These platforms are a game changer for car owners as they provide a user-friendly interface where you can input your vehicle details and the type of service you require. In return, you'll get a comprehensive list of local garages along with their prices and services offered. This means you can easily compare and choose the best deal that fits your budget and needs. By using these comparison websites, you can avoid the tedious task of calling multiple garages, waiting for quotes, and potentially overpaying for services. Instead, you can efficiently find the most competitive prices and services in just a few clicks. So, the next time you need to book a garage for your car service or repair, remember to utilize these comparison websites to make the process smoother and more cost-effective. Your wallet will thank you, and you'll have peace of mind knowing you've made an informed decision. I hope you found this information helpful and that it saves you both time and money in the long run. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more car-related tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.